AMD arranging faster laptops by combining Ryzen and Vega, the two ingredients of modern computing. Now, the company launching two new chips for speedy laptops. The new accelerated processing units, APUs, combine a Ryzen CPU with a Vega GPU on one piece of silicon. This combo chip is what will make AMD more competitive than rivals like Intel and Nvidia, said Jim Anderson, Senior Vice President of AMD's Computing and Graphics Group. "We got the world's fastest processor for ultra-thin notebooks," Anderson said. According to Anderson, the new chips will go into thin and light laptops with high performance. Ryzen CPU cores and Vega GPU. The Ryzen CPU cores and Vega GPU compute units are all designed around AMD's Infinity Fabric, the interconnect technology announced as one of AMD's Zen architecture features. The Ryzen 7 APUs have 10 Vega graphics cores and 4 Zen processor cores, with a total of 8 CPU threads. The slightly slower Ryzen 5 APUs have 8 Vega graphics cores. The Ryzen CPU delivers 52% more instructions per clock cycle than its predecessors. Also has 70% better performance per watt. AMD. Source: AMD. It unifies data and control connections between the CPU cores, GPU, I/O hub, DDR4 RAM controllers, and other onboard logic. It also enables AMD's Sense MI feature, using thousands of embedded sensors to monitor CPU speed, power consumption, voltage, and temperature in real time. Zen represents a step function improvement in our competitiveness, Anderson said. Ryzen APUs. Manufacturing companies Acer, HP, and Lenovo launch new machines with the new Ryzen APUs, which include the Ryzen 7 2700U and the Ryzen 5 2700U. According to AMD, the Cinebench benchmark shows that its Ryzen chips slightly fall in short of Intel's fastest single-thread performance. But, the Ryzen CPU is 44% better than Intel on multi-threaded performance. On the 3DMARK cross-platform benchmark, AMD improved triple the performance of the equivalent Intel solution. The Ryzen 7 can run at 59 frames per second, FPS, Dota 2 at 49 FPS, Overwatch at 66 FPS, and Quake Champions at 43 FPS. Also, laptops built with the chips can have twice the battery life of the previous generation and 24% thinner.